The Cincinnati market saw little change in fourth quarter compared to third quarter as 2011 came to an end. The vacancy rate stayed pretty stable, right around 11.5%, and we saw just a little negative absorption towards the end of 2011 as well. Keeping consistent with 2011, discount retailers are still very active in the market, and we've also seen a surge in fast casual, just like the rest of 2011, taking space, and also new-to-market concepts such as Mr. Good Sense and Menchie's, keeping consistent with the fast casual track. Some of the notable transactions that occurred in the fourth quarter of 2011 were hoping to be promising for 2012 actually. In the Florence market, a vacant Kmart that was over 100,000 square feet is going to have the Morris Furniture Company bring their concept of the Morris Home Centers, which will include Morris, Ashley Furniture, and the Better Sleep, combining them to backfill all 100,000 square feet. In addition to that, the Power Center, Voice of America, is going to add new construction piece to accommodate the Fresh Market Grocer, which will add 22,000 square feet to the center.
I think our expectations for at least the first quarter of 2012 are to see the continued expansion of the restaurant chains who were active in 2011, like Firehouse Subs. Also, the frozen yogurt concepts like Orange Leaf and Menchie's will continue to find and open new units. I think you'll also see the value retailers push forward with aggressive expansion plans. Family Dollar and Dollar General have both announced hundreds of new units for 2012, and I think we'll see that impact right away. Additionally, it was just announced that Rose's is going to be opening their first location in Cincinnati here during the first quarter. I think they'll continue to be aggressive in their growth throughout the region in 2012. Overall, I think you're going to find that the rents are going to remain pretty stagnant. Absorption will be minimal, which it has been for the last couple of quarters. I think the big unknown is whether or not some of the major retailers choose to file bankruptcy and large blocks of space become available in Cincinnati in the first 6 months of the year. On the leasing side, this is where it gets complicated. Right now, rental rates are still at the low prices that we've been hearing about for the last couple of years. Incentives are plentiful, but you've got to know going into a property what it is that you can ask for. You've got to know who the landlord is, what type of financial backing do they have. Tenants need to start asking questions about the financial viability of a project going forward, and figure out how to craft a deal to protect them in the event that a property goes into foreclosure. There's just an awful lot of moving pieces when you go to negotiate a lease at this juncture.